Hey, it's Mr. Allred, and I'm here with the solution for formula practice problem 2. The problem is solve the equation 2fc equals x for c. So, first of all, let's identify c, which is over here on the left-hand side. So if we go through all of our linear steps for solving, there's no fraction, there's no parentheses, all the c's are on the left, all the non-c's are on the right, which is the x. All the like terms are collected, all the c's are together, all the non-c's are together. So where we're starting here is simply divide, make that an I, by the coefficient. So what's multiplying c? 2f. So we'll divide both sides by 2f. It cancels out on the left. So in the end, I jump to my solution in one step, which is c equals x over 2f. So just paying attention to what you're focusing in on and noticing what is happening to it and then following through your steps. You can rule out a lot of steps really quick if the problem is pretty simple and you're focusing on the right variable sometimes.